Hey there, Madridistas! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into the highlights of Real Madrid's 2024 General Assembly. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So, first up, we had Florentino Pérez, the man himself, taking the stage. Now, if you're a true Madridista, you know that when Pérez talks, you listen. He opened with a powerful speech about the club's financial health. And guess what? Despite all the challenges, Real Madrid is in great shape. Pérez emphasized that the club remains debt-free. Quite the feat, right? But it wasn't just about finances. Pérez touched on the club's performance and future projects. He highlighted the amazing progress of the Santiago Bernabéu renovation. Can you believe it's almost done? It's going to be a game-changer, literally. Imagine watching El Clasico in a state-of-the-art stadium. Gives me chills just thinking about it. Then came the voting session. Members had their say on crucial topics like budget approval and the election of new board members. The atmosphere was electric. The votes came in and surprise, Pérez's proposals were overwhelmingly approved. It's clear that the members trust his vision for the club. One of the most exciting parts was the announcement of new signings. Pérez dropped some big names, hinting at future Galactico transfers. Yeah, you heard it right. More superstar talent could be heading our way. Can't wait to see who'll be wearing the white jersey next season. Before wrapping up, Pérez gave a heartfelt shout-out to the fans. He acknowledged that none of this would be possible without the unwavering support of Madridistas worldwide. That's us. It was a touching moment, reminding us all why we love this club so much. So there you have it, folks. The key moments from Real Madrid's 2024 General Assembly. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more inside scoops on our beloved club. Hala Madrid, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.